Hello guys, let's take a look at Jacklee 37 in 1 tool set. It's a quite a unique looking tool set. That's how it looks inside, and these are all the 37 types of screwdrivers that this set provides. Quite a few unique ones which I haven't seen before. Again, you can pause the video and see if you want, and that's how the device looks. Let me open it and show it to you. Again, it costs around 200 rupees or around $4, and this is how it looks. The stickers have been a little bit ripped, and you open the top of the device, and that's the screwdriver part, and you get two sections where all the screw bits are placed. As you can see, in total there are 37 of them. All you need to do is take one of them and put it into the handle, and now you get a screwdriver. When you don't need it, you just remove it and place it back. As you can see, quite a unique set of tools. It's a nice small packaging for so many screwdrivers. If each one had a handle, it would have been quite a big set. By going with this design, you get a compact toolkit with 37 different screw bits, and it also packs away quite neatly. All in all, very well designed tool set. Nice one. Check it out.